unbox Polk Magnify Mini. Okay, let's start. So this comes with a remote. That here we have an HDMI cable. So TV or it's wireless. Just connect by. Here we have these for like lights. Like you can use for like a speaker. Like it will make lights. Here's the remote. It includes some batteries.
So it comes with the remote comes with the battery.
And like these are all the things we have.
Wow. This is so compact,
That's an
small
online.
and compact.
Right.
It's very light,
Yeah.
so very easy to carry. It's ultra compact. So you can see it's written Polk here.
Yeah.
So you can look how cool this looks. This is a subwoofer.
This is HDMI. This is the remote. This is the cable. This is a fiber cable.
Fiber cable.
And
Okay.
this is HDMI to connect to TV directly if you want.
Uh-huh.
You can play standalone and it can play over the.
It's so compact that it can fit small space.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is
Is power
the power. Okay, HDMI.
optical.
Okay, HDMI.
Polk.
So that's a USB connection here. Aux, Wi-Fi, and what's the last one? Ethernet. So it has Bluetooth capability. Like all other devices, this can also be connected with your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and it can stream music directly from smartphones and tablets and other
And-
compatible devices.
And this is like the wire, like plug it in the socket. So you plug this in like there.
That's for the subwoofer, yeah.
Yeah, the subwoofer.
So let's
You
see.
just said
This is the size of the bedroom that we are going to set this Polk Magnify Mini, and you can see how big the room is, and we are going to voice adjust, customize the voice levels for improved dialogue in whatever you're watching. So when you connect it with the television, you can hear all the voice with clarity, very clear
So-
voice.
you can turn the TV on.
Both when you connect this with the television. So here we are using it in the bedroom. So we are going to stream it with our mobile phones, like smartphones or any tablets that we're going to use.
On these, like all these buttons, you can like control it with this too. See, like the
So it has a night mode also.
yeah, plus
So it will
minus,
turn off the
on,
bars.
off, Bluetooth.
Magnify Mini, it's a home theater surround bar system, and the box says, and it has a patented STS surround.
You have on the phone that is connected.
Oh wow.
Okay.
So you have to connect our smartphone to this device, to Polk Magnify Mini, and let's see the sound. Let's hear the sound.
We are not using any TV right now.
Yeah.
Okay. They just connected directly through the phone using the Bluetooth and Apple Music.
Next is the subwoofer is wireless, and you can set that and hide it anywhere in the room you want. It's very easy to place it anywhere in the room. has a sports mode and it has for audio if you're listening to music. So one remote, and you can serve the purpose of watching TV and controlling the music system with this remote only once it's connected with the television. And this is the night mode. Video useful, and the price and size are just right for someone looking for a speaker solution with a small footprint and big sound. Thanks for watching.